Welcome. If you're tired of random people or unknown channels adding you to groups without your permission on Telegram, don't worry today. I'll show exactly how to stop that from happening on your PC. There's a new update in Telegram that makes controlling who can invite you even easier, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once it's open, look toward the top left corner of your screen. You'll see three horizontal lines. Go ahead and click on them. This opens the main menu where you can access different parts of your account. Now from that menu, click on Settings. Inside Settings, you'll find an option called Privacy and Security. Select it because this is where all the control options for your account's privacy are located. You'll notice different sections here like blocked users, phone number visibility, and more. But what we need is the new Invites feature. Click on Invites, and this is where you can decide who's allowed to add you to groups and channels. By default, Telegram usually allows everyone or your contacts to invite you. But if you want total privacy and don't want to be added by anyone, choose Nobody. This setting makes sure that no one, not even people you know, can add you without your consent. After choosing Nobody, don't forget to click Save. That's the final step. And once you've done that, your settings will take effect immediately. From now on, you'll have full control over which groups or channels you join, instead of being added automatically. And that's it. You've just learned how to prevent anyone from adding you to groups and channels on the Telegram desktop app.